Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ian. I am in 1A1 class. Today, I am going to recite a poem called Dear Zoo by Rob Campbell. I wrote to the zoo to send me a pet, to send me an elephant. He was too big. I sent him back. So they sent me a giraffe. He was too tall. I sent him back. So they sent me a lion. He was too fierce. I sent him back. So they sent me a camel. He was too grumpy. I sent him back. So they sent me a snake. He was too scary. I sent him back. So they sent me a monkey. He was too naughty. I sent him back. So they sent me a frog. He was too jumpy. I sent him back. So they fought very hot. I sent me a puppy. He was perfect. I kept it. Thank you for listening to my poem.